Hi, I am Ralf Straaberg, online marketing, coaching and consulting for entrepreneurs. Begin your journey today. In today's video, I will talk to you a little bit about Facebook strategies and especially about friending and unfriending of people on your Facebook account, on your private Facebook account. Many times lately I have seen people talk a lot about they're going on an unfriend spree. They are using several different kind of apps for adding people and deleting people, and they will always talk about, but my engagement is not too high, and if people are not engaging with my content, then I don't want them on my Facebook. I want them gone because they are only leverage on my Facebook. And here, when it comes to this, I'm thinking like, why are you being like this? What is it really that you want to achieve? You also have to look inside, and you have to see who is it that you are actually adding to your Facebook if you use your private profile for business. If you are adding people to your Facebook that are the exact same type of people that you are, they are posting the exact same content that you are, then the likelihood that they are going to like and engage with your content is not very high. So you are not really adding your target audience, and then you don't understand why are they not engaging with my content. This is why you are putting content out there that is the exact same as they do. You're having the same inspirations, you're putting the same posts up that they are putting up. You are inspired by the same YouTube videos, so you make the same YouTube videos, you make the same content in your lives because this is what they do. And then you cannot understand why they're not engaging with your content. That's exactly why they're not engaging with your content. If you want engagement on your Facebook, if you want people to engage, make sure that the content you provide has value to them, and make sure that the people you have added to your Facebook is actually your target audience. It's people who are interested in what service, whatever product it is you have. If you are into marketing, affiliate marketing, make sure that the people that you're adding to your Facebook are people who are interested in the subject, that it's people who want to start a business, that is people who want to buy your product or services from you. If you're a coach, if you're a consultant, make sure that the people that you're adding to your Facebook are people who need your coaching or need your consulting. It's really that simple. But people will still go around and say, no, people are not engaging with my content. What can I do? What can I do? You can write posts that resonates to them. Bring yourself into the game. Talk from your experiences. Don't just go out and copy everybody else's content. I know everybody will say to you, you have to model what works. Yes, you have to model what works, but you also have to bring yourself into the game. You also have to make sure that whatever it is you are bringing to the table, whatever content you are giving, whatever you're putting into your Facebook has value to the people around you. And make sure you also give feedback to people. Also talk to people. I see people that go and they put one post up after another, and you can see they never engage with their audience. They put a post up and maybe they go put a like and like and like. They don't answer, they don't put questions into their posts. They just put a value post, or they put some meme they think is funny, and that does not really give you great engagement to your audience in your Facebook. So ask questions. What is it really that you want to know? And you should also have different kinds of posts in your Facebooks. I've seen many times people will post only business posts. So business, and sell. people get tired like this. They don't want, yes, you can put sales posts, you can put business related posts, but you also need to have posts about you as a private person. People want to know who is it that they are talking to? Who are you? What person are you? What do you like? Are you a family guy? Do you like dogs? Or do you ride a motorcycle? Whatever it is that you're interested in. Are you into fitness? Do you go jogging or horseback riding? Whatever it is that you think is you need to bring this into your Facebook. You need to put this into your posts also, so they can see there's a person behind, there's a who they are talking to. Because if they cannot see who you are, how can they know, how can they like, how can they trust you? Because a lot of people are just putting sales post after sales post. They're only pitching. And you get tired of it. Just look into yourself, see how do you feel? How do you really feel if somebody only pitches sales all the time? You get tired. You're like, no, stop it. You get tired. You don't want this. You don't want people only pitching you all the time. It's like bam, 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 bam. You don't want that. If you go to Facebook, people don't go to Facebook to be sold to. People go to Facebook to be social. People go to Facebook to have a good time. People go to Facebook to engage with other people. So make sure that your content is engaging, that you have something that people want. Give them value. Talk about yourself, talk about your business also. It's good to talk about your business, but make different posts. And make sure that the people that you have added to your Facebook is actually the right people. If I cloned myself and I added 10,000 of me into my own account, then I would have no engagement, because it would be me talking to me about me. Who was that? That's not good for anybody. You need to find the people that are interested in what service, what product you have. Those are the people you want. Go out and be engaging. And also remember to go and like and comment on your friends' posts also. Because many people, they are so self-centered that they don't go out, they don't post, they don't go and write on other people's posts, because they think, oh, they're competition. I don't want to bring any thing to their table. I keep everything in my own little niche, in my own little world. If you don't go out and engage to other people, how can you expect them to engage with you? So remember, go, if you see something you like, comment also, because when you comment, Facebook also says, okay, you are actually doing what real people do. Because real people, they go and they like and they comment, but don't just sit there, like. Because Facebook also knows that nobody can put 10 likes in 10 seconds and have read a value post that's from here to eternity. So have a reasonable view on what it is you're doing, and you will automatically bring up the engagement in your Facebook. And then bring them into your Facebook group if you have a Facebook group. Slowly warm them up in your private profile and invite them into your private community in your Facebook group and grow from there. In your Facebook group, you can do all the posts you want, and you can be very business oriented if this is what is your approach, but you can also do the same as you do in your private profile, bring your personal life into it. It depends on who you are and what it is you want to do with your life. It's up to you. But don't just go on an unfriend spree because people did not like your content, and then you're like a little child, you go like, they're not commenting, not engaging. Yes, and you know why. I just told you why. So be engaging, have the right audience, and don't think too much. Go out there, social media, you're supposed to be social. Take care. And if you like what you see here, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day. Bye bye.